Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, for the Blackhead King and World's Greatest Medical. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite blackhead pages. It's called pimplepopper.org on Facebook. I'll put a link below. Before we get started, take a look at this amazing photoshopped image of a dilated pore on the forehead. Nice. So the Facebook page is dedicated to pimple popping, acne, dermatology, and bizarre medical case studies. Like this apparent case of lichen planus, a chronic inflammatory and immune-mediated disease that affects the skin, nails, hair, and mucous membranes. Let's take a look at some of my favorite pops from the page while we give you time to comment, like, and subscribe. Go ahead and comment below, what is your favorite source for pimple popping? Facebook, YouTube, or other? Pimplepopper.org. Check it out.